Hello everyone, so I'm back with another video, and today I'm installing this battery tender. I got it from Canadian Tire, and I don't remember the price exactly, but it was maybe about 70 bucks or 60 bucks. I don't exactly remember. And this is my Goldwing 2020 DCT. I think the process is all the same. There might be tons of videos showing you how to install battery tender. But it's good to have another version of it as well, right? So open up the saddlebag. There you go. And I have the cable here versus the tender itself should be somewhere here. There you go. This is the tender itself, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plug this one to the battery. I have to remove this cover, so you hold it from here. Let me make sure that you guys can see things, right? So I'm gonna hold my finger here to not scratch anything. I mean, of course, there might be some scratches. There you go, pulled out. This is released as well. I'm gonna release it from here. Let's see. There you go, it came off, and then I'm gonna release it from here as well. Then I'm gonna bring it out, and that's it. Okay, so now, before I do anything else, I want to feed this cable, because this cable gonna stay here, and whenever I need it, I can plug it. So I just feed it in, and oops, make sure you don't damage the cable, right? So let me just put the cover back on like this. For now, I'm gonna leave this much exposed. I know it's too much, but remember that I can just shorten it by pushing it in after I'm done. And now it's time to install positive and negative. These are the ones. Let me see there we go. This is my screwdriver here. At the same time, I wanna make sure that you guys can see everything, right? So I'm gonna, there you go. I'm gonna remove this screw here, and this is the negative one, and loosen it up. I'm gonna loosen the positive as well. I mean, I have to also make sure that you guys can see everything in details. So I got this one, and I got this one as well, right? So the black one goes to the negative, like this. Screw back just a hand tight sort of thing, and this is going to be the negative. Make sure that the cover of the, what do you call this one, anyway, this cover is on for protection. Oops. There we go. We're gonna move this one up, easy. And again, make sure that you guys can see things clearly. Move my camera a bit up. There we go, hand tight, finish. And I have a phone call as well. Ignore. And I'm gonna continue my video, and then I'm gonna return the call. There, it's nice and tight. Nice and tight, super tight. Again, tight. Make sure it's tight. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tuck this one in somewhere to just, you know, hide it. Like somewhere here. You don't need to be like, this is enough. Tuck this one in here. And then in installing the cover, I'm gonna feed this one in, bring it in here, make sure I'm not making much of scratches. I mean, a little bit, it's okay, but not much. This goes first, this goes second, it's already in. This goes third, this goes fourth, finished, that's it. So now, this cable, I can just feed it back in as much as I want, and I can leave this one like this, right? And then whenever I need it, I can just pull it out and remove the cover and plug the battery tender to it. This is the one that I got, right? I think that's gonna be it, guys. I tried to make it as quick as possible and as fast as possible. This is my first time in installing this one. Never had any experience in installing any battery tenders before. So as you guys can see, it's quite simple and easy, right? So hopefully this video helps. I know there might be other videos as well, but I wanted to have my own version. Thank you so much for watching.